Hey, it's Holly. Welcome back to Living It Country. Today is our first ever Christmas mantle decorate with me video. We built this fireplace right back here a little under a year ago, so this will be our first Christmas decorating it, and I am so excited to share with you guys the whole entire process. We are keeping things very minimal, purposeful, and also just a space in our home in general, just be a place where we can create memories for Christmas. And so I am not decorating with a lot of knickknacks. It's gonna be just very minimal pieces that I can have from years to come. Sometimes I get caught up in buying things that might be a little bit too trendy, and I'm focusing on bringing pieces in that I'm gonna be happy with for many years to come. You guys are gonna see quite a few small businesses that I've purchased from this year on Etsy. And so they were pieces that were a little bit, well, one in particular was a little spendy, but it's something that I know I'm going to keep for a very long time. So I'm just so excited for today's video. So let's go ahead and jump right into it and get started. We are starting our morning off with a yummy Christmas candle. This is the holiday candle by Sweetwater Decor, and I absolutely love lighting all of my Christmas candles for each season to just kind of start the decorating, and it just brings, I don't know, the Christmas spirit alive. So here I'm kind of doing a little bit of brainstorming and a little bit of shopping on Etsy with my yummy cup of coffee. And I'm looking for a download for my Samsung TV right behind me, and I ended up finding a really beautiful print from a shop on Etsy that I purchased the pumpkin ones from before, and so I can't wait to show you guys that. But the shirt that I'm wearing in today's video, really cute shop I purchased it from. They're the ones that make this vintage shirt that I was wearing in a few videos prior. I just wanted to shout out that shop. I don't have a code or I don't work with them at all, but I just love their items and thought it'd be fun to share with you all that too. Now here's the print I ended up picking. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. It cost $4.99 to download, and it was super easy to do so. So if you guys have a Samsung TV, it's such an easy way to kind of bring the festivities to life each holiday season. I'm really excited for my daughter's birthday to have one that says happy birthday with my daughter's name. And these are just some of the ones that I have purchased over each season. So here it is. I feel like it looks so good with my gold frame around my television. And I actually purposely bought that frame so that it would go with the Christmas specifically, because I really love that gold accent with just kind of the wood tones in my house. I just feel like it just really works really well in our home. And it wouldn't be festive enough without our fireplace going, so I had to turn that on and make it feel a little bit more like Christmas there. We're gonna be decorating today our mantle really simply. I purchased this Greenery about 4 months ago, and I wanted to make sure I'd been thinking about Christmas obviously very far in advance, but I purchased this off of Amazon. I purchased 2 of them, and it was the perfect length for our mantle, and it feels really real, and I really love the way that it turned out. So I'm just going to be crossing those little hooks right there to hide that, and this is going to be the perfect arrangement for hiding also my little nails in my mantle, so that I can hook my Christmas stockings as well as my bells, which you guys will see later in today's video. But it's gonna hide those as well, so it just looks really flawless. I would love to know in the comment section, have you guys been thinking about Christmas decorating as well? And what is your guys' favorite room to decorate for the Christmas season? I know this year I'm going very minimal. I am really thinking about each item that's going into my home and just making it a very peaceful and pleasant place for my family, my kids, my husband and I, and making sure that we just really enjoy it and that it can bring us joy into our family's life. Now here I realized my hubby left all those silly doorknobs right there. So excuse the little bit of mess, but we are focusing on the mantle today. Now we got these gorgeous bells. These are from Antique Farmhouse. They're beautiful and have a gold accent to them. I just really love these, and these are going to be an accent piece that's just going to be so beautiful for all the years to come and just really brings that Christmas look to life. Now, if you guys are looking for even more Christmas inspiration, my friend Farmhouse Charlie is gonna be posting a wonderful Christmas mantle decorate with me too. So after you're finished watching today's video on our channel, make sure you go check her out and her video. I'll put it in the description box below. She is absolutely wonderful and you guys are going to love her video today. Now I wanted to share with you all these beautiful stockings. Absolutely incredible, handmade off of Etsy. These were one of my biggest splurges of the year, but this is the first time that we'll be doing big stockings, and these are my first purchase of stockings. I've always used hand-me-downs, and I wanted to support this small business by purchasing from them, and I thought, what better way to even do this more by sharing them. Now, while we're talking about stockings, I have a really great stocking stuffer idea, and I would love to take a moment and thank Loopy for partnering with us on today's video. Loopy is a phone case. It comes with so many different designs and styles that fit everybody's needs. They've got phone cases as well as phone accessories and chargers as well, and I absolutely love all the designs. They're so beautiful. I've owned a Loopy for almost 3 years now and have never changed my phone case. And so I'm so thrilled this year to be able to change my phone case and get some new styles going on it. Loopy is absolutely amazing if you love to use your phone to take photos or you don't want to drop your phone. You can have your phone in one hand with stuff in the other, and it's just really convenient and absolutely amazing. I will have a discount code in the description box below so you guys can shop them, and a big thank you to Loopy for partnering with us on today's video. Now, I found these beautiful name tags off of Etsy, super affordable, and it says Daddy, Mommy, Aria, and Brody, and I just love how it adds a personal touch to our mantle, and I absolutely love it. I love things personalized. I love family photos in my home, and I just feel like it brings the mantle to life even more. I'm showing you guys our TV because I'm obsessed with the gold. I think it turned out phenomenal with this piece of art, just phenomenal, and my kids are obsessed with the Santa Claus on the TV. They think that's so much fun. And now we have these beautiful candlesticks. These are from Antique Farmhouse in a set of 3. And they are absolutely beautiful with these beautiful candles that are flameless, they're battery operated, and were purchased off of Amazon. Now here's what our beautiful mantle looks like. I'm gonna play some beautiful Christmas music so you guys can enjoy it without me talking. But here's what those Loopy cases look like in the stockings, and I think they would make such a great gift. If you guys wanna check them out, they will be in the description box too. I hope you are all having a wonderful start to your November and a very merry early Christmas to you all. I can't wait to be posting even more Christmas videos this year, and I will see you guys later on Living It Country. Bye.